Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज की हमारी इस वीडियो में हम 17 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आई वुड लाइक टू मेक अ स्मॉल अनाउंसमेंट एंड दैट इज दैट नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर गोइंग टू have our current affairs update every weekend. Means it would not be uploaded daily, it will be uploaded at weekend either on Friday or Saturday. I hope that will be fine with all of you, and if you are having any confusion or query, then you are always welcome to comment and share your things with me. I will definitely respond and work accordingly. And now let's begin with our content. Which singer launched the cheer song Hindustani Way for Tokyo Olympics? This singer is A.R. Rahman and he has launched this cheer song along with Ananya Birla. For which mission ISRO conducted the third successful test on Vikas engine? This is for the mission Gangayaan, which is India's first manned space mission. In which state country's first grain ATM was opened? It was opened in Haryana, Gurugram, India. And this ATM can dispense up to 70 kgs of grain within 5 or 7 minutes at a time, as informed by CM Dushyant Chautala ji. How many kilometers long did India approve for the Ganga Expressway? It is 594 kilometers and it's a 6-lane wide project expandable up to 8 Greenfield Expressway in the state of Uttar Pradesh, India. Adani Group took the management control of which international airport? It is Mumbai International Airport. What is the theme of the World Youth Skills Day 2021, which is observed on 15th July? It is reimagining youth skills post-pandemic. Where was India's largest electric vehicle charging station established? It was established in Maharashtra, Navi Mumbai. With which country India signed MOU for cooperation in coking coal? It is with Russia. Who has been appointed as its brand ambassador by Vogue Eyewear recently? It is Taapsee Pannu who has been appointed as the brand ambassador by Vogue Eyewear. Who has become the first player to score 14,000 runs in T20 recently? It is Chris Gayle, a player from West Indies. Where will the country's first green hydrogen mobility project be set up? It will be set up in Ladakh by NTPC REL. Recently, who has written the book titled The Great Big Lion? It has been written by Crisis Knight, who is now 7-year-old. And she holds a rare distinction of being one of the youngest authors in the world. And in India, this book is released under the label of Penguin Random House. Recently, where will India's largest solar park be set up by NTPC Limited? It will be set up in Gujarat and it is going to produce 4750 megawatt renewable energy at Ren of Kutch in Khavada, Gujarat. Who has become the first managing director of National Asset Reconstruction Company recently? This is Padma Kumar Madhavan Nair, who was Chief General Manager of Stressed Assets Resolution Group at SBI, and he is now going to be the Managing Director of National Asset Reconstruction Company. Recently, which state government has decided to give 50% reservation to local students? This state is Telangana. Recently, which has become the first union territory of the country to do 100% COVID vaccination. This union territory is Ladakh. The manual UN FAO report titled The State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World 2021 states how many people faced hunger in 2020. It states that 720 to 811 million people faced hunger in the year 2020, and out of which 418 million are in Asia. It is really a very horrible data. The Union Cabinet has approved how much increase in the dearness allowance to central government employees and dearness relief to pensioners. It is 28%. The Union Cabinet has approved the continuation of which centrally approved scheme? This scheme is National Ayush Mission. This is a national health protection scheme which aimed at covering 10 crore poor and vulnerable families. The administration of Ladakh signed a MOU with whom for the implementation of Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana and Mission Organic Development Initiative in Ladakh region. It is with Sikkim State Organic Certification Agency. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा और आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल भी रहेगा। अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस और मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं, पसंद आते हैं, तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल। थैंक यू।